Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Becca will be sharing 5 super cute and easy nail art designs that are perfect for Valentine's Day. The best part about these designs is that you'll only need a toothpick to create them.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails as well as the first coat of polish. For the first design, you'll want to paint your nail a rosy pink. On this nail, we're going to be making an X and an O, so start off by making a dark pink dot near the top of the nail and then make 4 white dots around it. Add another dark pink dot to the end of each arm of the X. For the O, make a dark pink dot where you want the top and the bottom of the circle to be. Add white dots on either side of the pink dots and then continue alternating colors to finish the circle. For the next nail, you'll also want to start with a rosy pink base. Once the polish is dry, use a toothpick to make white polka dots on your nail. Skip one white dot in the pattern and instead use gold polish to make a little heart. To make the heart, make 2 dots beside each other and then gently drag the center down a little. Next, we'll be painting some Valentine's roses. Start off with a sheer pink base. Use the brush from a polish bottle to make 3 blotches of pink near the bottom left of your nail. Once the pink is dried, outline the blotches with dark pink and add some curved lines in the center to make them into roses. Finish off by adding some leaves. You can use green if you'd like to, but I chose to use gold here to give it a little bit of a classier look. On this nail, we'll be making a lacy heart. Once again, start off with a sheer pink base. Using a toothpick, make the outline of the top of a heart with white dots. Use the brush from a rosy pink polish to carefully make 2 strokes at the tip of the nail in the shape of a heart. The last design is a little bit abstract. Start off by painting your nail white. Using the brush from a bottle of pink polish, make a brush stroke diagonally across the nail. Make sure there isn't too much polish on the brush for this step. You want the edges of the pink section to look a little bit rugged. Once the pink polish is dried, use a toothpick dipped in white polish to make a little heart. Make sure to bounce the toothpick along the nail instead of dragging it so that the colors underneath don't get pulled up. Finally, finish off with a fast drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Let us know in the comments below which of these 5 designs was your favorite. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.